to send a message when updating any record or creating any record. You can use our flow action. So to use our flow action, you need to go to setup. First go to setup and search for flow. So in flow, you need to create a new flow, which will be a record trigger flow. And now here you can select your object like lead or contact or any other object. Lead. Here I will select lead. So you can check any condition a record is created or updated whenever whatever you conditions you want to use. So I will use a record is created or updated, and then I will get the record. So for configuration of flows, I need to create a flow configuration record. So here I will go, and first I will create a flow configuration record. So here I need to first select the channel. I need to give the name, like I will give the name for flow config demo. So and I need to select the object on which object I like from which object I will trigger the record and I will send the WhatsApp message. So I will select the lead, and here I will select the number on which number I want to send the WhatsApp message. So here I will select the template then with text, and I will select any template with this, and let's suppose I am selecting alert summit. So I will select this first name and last name, and I will save it. So it will save a record called as whose name is flow config demo. So you need to fetch this record here. So you need to get record. So get the record of flow config and select flow configuration object. Here you can put the condition as name and put the value and save it. And then create a action or send WhatsApp message action. So here you can find send WhatsApp message. So click on this. So it will ask the label. So give the label. Now to select for flow configuration, select the flow configuration object, which looks like this. For object record, select the record object lead. Now you have to pass both records. So you need to pass in flow configuration to pass the record which we have get it using that configuration, and record you need to pass that lead record and then done. So now you need to save it, save the flow and save it and activate it. So now if you update any lead or create any lead, it will send WhatsApp message to me. So let's suppose I update this uh, title Mr. So as soon as I will save this, I will receive the message. So, yes, I have received the message. So like it will trigger the WhatsApp. So whenever you update or create any lead, it will trigger the WhatsApp message and send the WhatsApp message. So this way you can send WhatsApp message using flows according to your condition. You can configure. Thank you.